Hey, is it any consolation that it looks good while it's rolling?
And here we are at the DND meet. This is their warehouse meet. We're here because Bella's partnered with them. So we, what is that? But yeah, we're here because she's partnered with them, and you know, now that we live out here on the west, like we can actually go hang. So hopefully we can get some driving in on the carts here and stuff. But yeah, like I mean, stick around for a bit, and then we have to head back to the shop to finish up my transmission on my Z. But for now, let's just have some fun. I think this guy only kings sometimes, bro.
Excuse me?
I think you king sometimes, not anytime.
Well, I'm worldwide, so you can change the name if you need to. How are you media guy when you only go with this?
What you mean? I got the big cami at home. I don't yeah, dude.
I heard you.
Yeah.
You haven't seen it.
I have not. I want to come see it.
I'm nervous to get on that.
I know. She's next, so.
No, he said he'll let me know. There's other people in line. So.
Okay. I don't know if you know, Aaron, but they're gonna get Bella in on the cart.
I can't wait to see it.
I know. I hope you like curbs.
I know. We gotta give her a little more than that.
Oh, I hope you like sidewalks. See, aren't you stoked? Don't you want to learn how to drift now?
I don't know about all that.
All right, and we're back. We got the whole crew in here. Look at that. Wait, dang it. No, he's in here. So there we go. So we're back. We got the whole crew, and my voice cracked, but it's okay. We're gonna keep it rolling. Now I have to go pick up my transmission from Forsberg shop, which is gonna be interesting. And yeah, and then we have to drop off that one's packages because all of her parts end up in my car, and I drive with them every day. Yeah, let's get to Rap Legends. I have literally one more day to figure this shit out, and then my man's got the business chair, you know what I mean? Because we're doing straight business.
Hold on, I'm all about the business.
All about the business, baby. You know, Z's in the same position it was in the last video. Unfortunately, if you guys didn't catch it, I'll just update you real quick. I did, well, not me, Aaron literally did almost, like, no, you did everything, not almost, but he switched the clutch kit for me, showed me how to change a clutch without dropping the transmission fully, which I did a little bit of clickbait in that last video, but anywho. I mean, but yeah, you know, it never came down. Unfortunately, his transmission is bad, and I did pass by Forsberg's shop to get another one because we did text, figure it out. Like, he's kind of surprised that this transmission is bad and doesn't understand why. I don't understand why, but I do know that the transmission that I brought over here is from Miami. It was off a homie's car, and it ran just fine. So I'm waiting to get that, but unfortunately Jackson, well, not unfortunately, fortunately Jackson qualified to like top 4, and like he's running another licensed competition to get his pro, you know, license. Well, I don't know, like pro license, right? Yeah, so that way, and I'm a big Orr fan, you know, so Jackson Orr, he's definitely like a killer. But you know, he's in competition right now, and Chris did say Jackson's in the top 16. I don't know why you can't take 5 minutes to find out if that transmission in the back is mine or not, but it is what it is, you know, like Chris could have been a complete jerk off and just like took my transmission, but he did it. I'm trying to be like, I'm in like a beggars can't be choosers situation, but I'm also in a situation where like I don't have time. There's 2 options, right? There's two. Yeah, there's two and only 2 options, right? 1, we can drop the transmission that's out of here in here and take it out and just have it prepped and ready, so that way I can get my transmission put in easily. Or I could just send this shit and then just see if it'll make it home and just like call it a day. You know what I mean? So
I mean, let's wait. So
hold on.
If you drive it home and we make it home, you're closer to the shop if you need tools. You're closer to home. It's, I don't know, you're not burdened by here.
Yeah.
If we take out the stuff now, it is easier because then you just throw the transmission in, but where?
Yeah, I would literally have to leave the car outside, which is like hella sketchy.
Yeah, so that's sketchy. And so, man, I say we take it off these jacks and we try and drive it around and see.
Let's send it, bud.
You and I can push it back in here if we need to.
It would have to stay to, I would, yeah, because it can't even.
It can't even stay.
it can't stay. Today's the day. Well, I mean, it can stay till tomorrow, but I have to film something for Nitto Tire tomorrow, so I don't have the time. Problems. But that's where we stand, you know? So I wanted to quickly update you guys, and I'm just gonna send her, bud. So I'm gonna get it off these jacks and try to drive it home. And worst case, I mean, you know, I drive it home and then I already know the transit's bad. I'll drive it onto a tow truck, not giving a crap if it makes it there, and then just probably take it to a shop at this point, and then just pay them to help me switch transmissions. I hate going through shops because a lot of them are bums, but I don't know. We'll see who's local to the Newport Beach, Costa Mesa area and can help me out, because, you know, this was supposed to be done at Forsberg shop, but I don't work there anymore, so I'm not gonna try and pull that favor. It's just annoying. The only other thing that I'm nervous about is if I get this thing on the road and then it locks in gear. By the title of this video, you'll know how it went. Well, moment of truth. I feel like I know where this is gonna go, but it's like, it doesn't hurt to try. Oh, I definitely gotta bleed the clutch a little bit more. Oh my gosh. Do you hear it? Like how bad it sounds?
Yeah.
I feel like it's gonna lock up.
I mean, I don't know. I hope
Like
not.
every move.
But that's how it was even when you drove it here.
Yeah, but I'm nervous about it locking up on the street.
Oh. Jesus. Hey, is it any consolation that it looks good while it's rolling?
No. All right, so can confirm it is 100% transmission, and I'm not a transologist, you know what I mean? But I can show you guys how I know, because I am in first gear and
You're going nowhere.
clearly going nowhere. So great, I'm gonna push this into the parking spot, and I just grenaded a transmission. I blew it. Wait, Aaron, chill. But yeah, I just grenaded my first transmission. Jeez, dude. Bro. Even in neutral.
Yep.
Holy crap. All right. Now we're loading up the Z. How exciting, right? But I'm also stoked because he has that type of trailer, which I don't know if you can see from there or not, but you'll see when it's loaded.
Have you seen this trailer before?
I've seen this type.
When everything's the right angle, basically the trailer just airs out.
Oh, it goes flat.
Yeah.
Oh, that's sick. Oh. I know. And now I'm like, wait, now I'm way more comfortable. Hell yeah, dude.
Oh, you want me to hit the...
Oh, you're just trying to be the nice guy and like make sure you don't get everything dirty.
I know.
Yeah, I like that. What in the devil's hell is going on over here? I feel like we're losing focus, all right? There goes Jackson working hard as hell on my transmission, and then here comes Bella's like, well, yeah, I'll come with you, and then Danny's out here just tattooing her skin. Don't you know your body's a temple?
And we're decorating it.
I am working hard as hell. Jackson, tell him, aren't I working hard? All right, so shit hit the fan. I needed a spot where I can actually drop transmission. And I thought to myself, why would I do it when I could pay Jackson to do it? And thankfully, he went ahead and said yes, unfortunately. So this is Jackson. He just got second place in the Drift League Championship for round one. Yeah, round one. All right, so you guys better follow him because he's going to be a national champion one day in Poland. I'll tell you that.
Yeah, dude.
Oh yeah, tell him.
4-time Bulgarian drift champion.
Tell him. He's already got the transmission out, and it was pretty cool because I showed him what Aaron showed me, which was, let me get under the car. Now that there's better light, you guys can see that there's so much space in the transmission. Wait, it's under the transmission. There's so much space under the car that you can actually just drop it straight out. And convenient enough, Jackson is a prepared young lad because he also happened to have a transmission jack, so worked out. So yeah,
Got good.
yeah.
Swapping everything over now.
Yeah, so now he's trying to figure out how to get that shifter off the linkage shift.
Yeah, English.
Shifter. All right, show the class what you found out.
That's what it's supposed to sound like.
Yeah, that's definitely how it's supposed to sound.
Is the back of it even spinning?
Let's find out. Here, let me take. I don't want to get fluid all over your stuff. All right, let's see. Turn it. I mean, it's turning.
Something else inside the trans is turning with it.
Yeah. All right, so can confirm transmission might be bad.
Yeah, maybe. It's not good.
It's not good.
Sure.
It ain't great. All right, great. Nice. Okay. Yeah, as soon as Jackson started making that noise, my head turned so damn fast to him. I was like, what the hell is that? I know, literally. I was like, don't tell me both of them are bad. Hey, get out of here, tiny lady. All right. Babe, one job. You are literally at eye level with that. How do you kick it? You see what I deal with?
Eye level.
The audacity of these women.
Can't see.
Hey, look, all that for mimosas. I worked insanely hard, and Jackson put into ZSpeed CMAK kit, which is pretty sick because it makes the slave cylinder go from being internal and being with that cheap plastic shit that always breaks and makes it external. Right, Jackson? I did this all by myself?
Correct.
Correct. Correct. But yeah, this CMAK kit is on. It was such a challenge. I had to drink a mimosa or two to finish, but I'm glad that we can get this done. So now I'm gonna throw this into the car and call it a day. People enjoying their Sunday.
Can you imagine?
Can't even imagine.
Relaxing on a Sunday.
I also want to point out that Jackson did say, hey, I want to finish this early so I can enjoy my life.
I did say that.
And
well, not exactly. I said I wanted to start this early because I knew that it was going to take a long time.
Something always goes down in the DMs, and what time is it right now?
It's not actually that late.
No, I mean, it's not too bad. It's 4:44, which make
decent.
a wish.
Pretty decent. All right, I made a wish.
I wish for this to be done so that way he can enjoy his life. All right, now I'm going to let you guys in a secret. I don't know if you knew, but it was actually Jackson that did all of the work, you know? But he just has to get on the slave cylinder, which goes on to this bracket right here. Oh, I don't even think it's going to line up. Yeah, whatever. It's going to go on that bracket. There it is. It's going to go on there. Yeah, and then that should be done, but he's going to do that on... Once the transmission is
in the bracket.
Once the transmission's mounted, it's gonna go up. So yeah.
Just hands it to me and like blow out my elbow. Have to get Tommy John surgery after that one.
Well, I guess I should probably segue into this. Jackson finished everything. I mean, I finished everything. So now the car's put together and it's time to fire this thing up. Let's see if it even has enough battery to, but I am really tired of getting my hopes up and nothing happening. Oh shoot, what happened?
No, I just forgot to tighten the exhaust cleaner.
Alright, hopefully this is it. Alright, good sign. Yes, finally.
No, dude.
Yeah.
It does all 7 gears.
All 7 gears. No neutrals.
Without noises.
Yeah, I'm so stoked. Thank you, brother. Because I know I stole your Sunday. Now I'm going to start helping you clean up, and then let's get this thing on the ground so that way I can roll out of here. This is like the 4th dick I found on my car.
3rd one.
No, this is... There's too many dicks. Too many dicks. Okay, here we go. Don't scrape. So far so good, man. Dude, it works. Holy crap. It's been so long. Oh my gosh. You guys have no idea. I have been waiting for this car to run right forever. And the thing is, I feel bad too because I definitely ate up Jackson's like Sunday. But man, I have to say like a million times over, thank you, bro. Like this car, I needed a spot to work on this thing and he just did it entirely and got it going. Beep beep, bitches. Yeah, it works great. You want to give her a drive? Hey, you sure you want to get in here? Yeah, come on. I'm like, come on, get in here. Oh. Yeah.
It's my first time in one of these, actually.
You've never driven a stock 370Z?
I've never driven any 370. No, that's not true. Obviously Chris is, but
yeah. If you want to slide it, have some fun. I don't give a shit.
I'm just gonna take it for a little rip around the block. Ow!
Oh, brother.
Oh! Hold on! Also, since I know you're gonna watch this back, definitely did not just smack your bumper on a fucking dip in the road. There's a lot of fucking dogs out today, dude. Nice. You get rubbed a little bit. You might know that already, but get in, bitches.
How does it feel, dude?
It's fun, actually.
Did you give it like some beans?
A little bit, right over here.
I heard it like over there. I heard the whoa.
Yeah.
Like,
this is like a giant loop. If you go all the way down, it just like goes like this, and then you follow it back, and it's that side of the road
see,
too.
Big Nissan guy now. Huh?
Yeah, it's pretty fun.
Not bad.
Yeah.
And this car is still a little ghetto.
It has a little rattle back there. I think it's just something in your interior.
The AC line that's back there.
Oh, okay.
Against the,
cool.
The harness bar.
Yeah, dude, it's pretty good.
Yeah.
It's fun. I'm gonna put it not in the center of the street.
Like, let's be.
I pull up on this giant ravine. I like jam on the brakes, like.
Oh, this avoid the scrape.
Go at an angle, and it's still like.
Oh, Jackson. Yeah, I guess I'm gonna know that part in the video and be like, that's where he done did it.
And then like a second later, or not, like 15 seconds later, I was like, I know you're gonna watch this back, and you're gonna see me hit. You're gonna see me bottom the car out.
But no, man, thank you again. I know I stole your Sunday, and I apologize, brother. But thank you for helping me because it's funny because he is also the one that helped me even get the motor in here, and he did majority of the work. I mean, you pretty much just finished it off. I mean,
it was a pleasure to actually get it to the point that it drives instead of just running.
Yeah, it was turning into a big ornament.
Yeah, but I mean, now you get to enjoy it.
Hell yeah.
That's the part about owning a car.
Now I'm gonna do a burnout. Not here, but
right here.
not here, but somewhere else. But yeah, all right. So this is the good news. I'm gonna just leave it here for now. But dude, again, super stoked to finally have this thing back on the street. And here comes the corny YouTuber part. I'll see you next video. Love you guys. I didn't even fucking say it. I didn't even say it because I'm a dog. You know what I'm saying? I'm a dog.